morning students, this is chapter first class 9 grammar. First chapter is tenses. So what are the tenses? Tenses are according to the time. Which time is there? If the time is present, there is present tense. If time is gone, that is past tense. If time will come, that is future tense. There are two types of tenses: present, that is today; past, that is gone; and future, that is following or coming or will come. So basically there are four types of each tense. Present tense is first part, present simple; second, present continuous; third is present perfect; and fourth is present perfect continuous. Similarly, past simple, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Future simple, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. So there are four types of parts. Now we are using some abbreviations in the tenses. So abbreviations are HV means help you up, MV means manual, SUB means subject, and OBJ means object. So we will study about the tenses. So now first the basic structure of the sentence, how the sentence is framed. First is simple type of sentence. Simple type of sentence, that is assertive. So that is also called positive sentence. Subject, help you have, manual, and object. Next type is negative type. Negative type subject, help you have, not, manual, and object. When not is added in simple sentence, that is converted into negative. Next is interrogative, help you have, subject, manual, and object, and question mark. So when the help you have is at the starting, the sentence will be converted into interrogative sentence. Next is WH type sentence. WH type sentence which starts with WH words. WH word, help you have, subject, manual, and object. So the basic difference between interrogative and WH type sentence is only WH word. When we add WH word at the starting of interrogative sentence, the sentence will be converted into WH type sentence. Now what is the WH word? WH words are those which start with WH. So list of the WH words is why for reason, when for time, where for place, what for answer of subject, which, relative pronoun, whose, relative, whom, how. How is not starting with WH word. WH word, this is in the list of WH word. Next is singular subject. Singular subjects which we will use in the tenses. I is singular, he, she, it, and name of person or singular nouns जो अपने आप निकालते हैं वन होती हैं, that are singular subjects. Plural subjects which are in plural number more than one or two, three, four. So like they, we, you, or plural nouns. So this is the basic introduction of the tenses. We will study about this briefly the next lecture. Thank you. Morning student, this is second lecture about the tenses. So in the first lecture we studied the types of tenses, how many types of tenses are there, and the basic structure of the sentences, and the singular and plural subjects and WH words. Now we will study about the tenses. First part is present simple tense. Present simple tense, help to are is do or does. Do is used for plural subjects, does is used for singular subject, and manual is used first form plus s less es. First form plus s less es means first form के साथ s या es आता है only for singular subject in simple sentence. किसके साथ आएगा? singular subject और only in simple sentence होना चाहिए. बाकी में first form आएगा s less es नहीं आएगा. simple sentence subject manual first form s less es and object negative subject who does manual first form and object interrogative WH word structure are same. Next, for the example, he will go like he makes or he prepares tea. He prepares tea. He prepares tea. So here there is no helping verb in the sentence. In the structure there is no helping verb. Manual first form s less es. He singular subject. So s here is manual first form s less es and he is object. For making an interrogative, he is singular subject. The helping verb is does. He does not. Negative sentence here, not is used. Does not prepare tea. Manual is prepare and tea. That is negative sentence. Third is interrogative. So making an interrogative, just use the helping verb at the starting. he prepared tea. That is interrogative and question mark at the last. When change to WH word type sentence, just add WH word at the starting of interrogative sentence. Like, how has he prepared tea? How means कैसे? So how does he prepare tea? That is interrogative and WH word type. So here the sentence is interrogative. Does he prepare tea? When we add WH word at the starting, that will change to WH word type sentence. So these are the present simple tense. Present simple tense is structure किस टाइप होता है? Sentence किस टाइप से होता है? Main verb first form plus s and help verb किस टाइप से यूज होते हैं? That was present simple. Now the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense help verbs are is, am and are. Is for singular subject, am for I and are for plural subjects. Main verb first form plus ing is used. Simple sentence structure is same. Subject, help verb, main verb first form, ing and object. Like same example. He is preparing tea. He is preparing tea. So subject, help verb is preparing, main verb first form plus ing, tea is object. When we convert this to negative sentence, just add not after that help verb. He is not preparing tea. That is negative. When we convert it to interrogative, just write the help verb at the starting. Is he preparing tea? And the question mark at the last. And WH word type. When is he preparing tea? When is he preparing tea? So when is WH word help. Is MR is help verb, be subject, main verb first form ing and object. Here together this is interrogative. When we add WH word, that will be converted into WH word as sentence. So this was all about the present continuous tense. In present perfect tense we will study in the next lecture. Thank you. Good morning students. This is third lecture of all the tenses. So we are studying present simple and present continuous. In the previous lecture we will study about present perfect tense. So present perfect tense help verbs are has and have. Has for singular subject and have for plural subject. Now main verb third form is used. Structure is same as the basic structure. जो basic structure होती है basic structure के according इसका जो structure होगा have verb है जो है आ जाएगा, main verb की जगह main verb third form लिखा जाएगा, बाकी structure same है. Simple sentence they have finished work. They is plural subject, so helping verb is have, main verb third form finished, work is object. Negative sentence just add not after that helping verb. They have not finished work. That is negative. Interrogative just write helping verb at the starting. Have they finished work? This is interrogative sentence and question mark at the last. Now double word type sentence. Where have they finished food? So where is double word type? Have is helping verb. They is subject. Finished main verb and object. So the basic difference between this the word when. So when we will convert interrogative double word type, just add double word type at the starting of interrogative sentence. So this is double word type sentence. So this was all about the present perfect tense. Next is present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous helping verb is same has and have been is added after that. Has been or have been singular, have been plural. Next main verb first form plus ing because this is continuous. So first form plus ing. Next since and forwards are used before the time. Since for point of time जो fix होता है जिसको हम count नहीं कर सकते, like Monday, Sunday, June 2020. Next for period of time जिसको हम count कर सकते हैं 1 hour, 2 hour, 2 days, 2 years. So that is period of time. Next is simple sentence. Structure is same. Subject helping verb is has, have and been. Main verb first form plus ing object. And since for plus time is used at the last. For example, we will take same example. They have been finished work. They have been finished work. They have been finished work. They have been finishing. Main verb first form plus ing is finishing work since Monday. So Monday is point of time that is uncountable. So since is used. We will use since Monday. Or we can use like for 2 hours. for 2 hours. Next negative, just add not word at the starting. Not, that is negative sentence. For interrogative, write the helping verb. Just first part of helping verb, has have, the subject being man of first form plus ing. Next structure is same. When we converted this into double word type, just add double word. So when have they been finishing work since Monday? That is double word type sentence. So this was all about the present tense. About the past tense we will study in the next lecture. Thank you. Morning student, in previous lecture we have studied about the present simple, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Now we will study about the present tenses, past tense. Past simple tense, helping verb is did, which is used for singular as well as plural subjects. Main verb is second form only in simple sentence. जैसे present simple में क्या था? Main verb first form plus s less is only in simple sentence. Here also main verb second form only in simple sentence, and all other types of sentences main verb first form is used. Simple sentence subject, main verb second form and object, that is the structure. Like example, he wrote a letter. He is subject. Write second form, write is wrote. Although already wrote a letter, object. Negative sentence, he did not write a letter. Like subject helping verb not and main verb first form. He did not write first form a letter, that is negative. Interrogative sentence helping verb subject main verb first form object. So write it at the starting, did he write a letter, that is interrogative sentence. And the same double word type sentence, add the double word reason why did he write a letter, that is double word type sentence. And the last interrogative, the question mark. So that was all about the past simple tense. Next tense is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense helping verbs are was and were. Was is used for singular subject, were for plural subjects. Main verb similarly to present continuous tense, main verb first form plus ing, and the structure is same as the basic structure. Basic structure of single sentence was subject, helping verb, main verb and object. Here also structure is subject, helping verb, main verb is first form plus ing and object a letter. So example, I was writing a letter. I is singular, so was helping verb singular subject. Writing, write plus ing, main verb first form plus ing, writing a letter is object. Next is negative sentence, I was not writing a letter, just word not after the helping verb. Next interrogative, was I writing a letter, that is interrogative, just write the helping verb at the starting. And similar double word type sentence, why was I writing a letter. So this was double word type sentence. So today past simple and past continuous tenses have been completed. Now in the next lecture we will study about the past perfect tense. Thank you. Good morning students, this is next lecture about the tenses. Previously we studied present tense and the past simple and past continuous. Next tense is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense helping verb is had. Had is used for singular as well as plural subjects. Main verb third form is used. Next the structure is same as the present perfect tense or the basic structure, because there is no change. Helping verb, main verb is changed. Helping verb is changed. Had and main verb is third form always, so similar to present perfect tense. Next simple sentence, she had sung a song. She subject, had is helping verb singular as well plural. Sung, third form of sing, sing, sang, sang. Sung a song is object. Next negative sentence, write not after the helping verb. She had not sung a song, that is negative. Interrogative, write had the starting, had she sung a song, that is interrogative. Double word type, just add double word at the starting. Where had she sung a song, that is double word type sentence. So this is all about the past perfect tense, similar to present simple, just change of helping verb is had. In present perfect tense the helping verb was has and have. Next is past perfect continuous. This is also similar to present perfect continuous, just the change of helping verb. Helping verb is had been, here there was has been and have been. Has been for singular, have been for plural. Here have been is for singular as well as plural. Main verb first form plus ing, similar to continuous. Structure same as present perfect continuous. So I am not writing the structure. First is simple. We had been planting trees for 2 days. So we, subject is plural, had been helper, main verb first form ing, plant is पेड़ लगाना, planting main verb first form ing, countable noun. So we can count the word days, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months. So that is countable. So for countable time we use for. That is period of time. Next is negative. Just add in between the adverb had and been. adverb में जहाँ पे दो पार्ट होते हैं वहाँ पे नोट बीच में ऐड होता है. had not been. That is negative. Next is interrogative. Just write the first part of the helping of the starting. Similar to present perfect continuous we have written has and have. Then subject and been. Here had, subject, been. Rest part is same. Next is WH time sentence. Where had we been? So here WH time the starting and similar to interrogative sentence. So this is about the past perfect continuous tense. So present tense is complete, past tense is complete, and future tense we will study about this in the next lecture. Thank you. Good morning, student. This is next lecture about the tenses of first chapter grammar, class 9. So previously we studied about the present tense, past tense, now the future tense. Future tense that will come, that is coming, will come. So helping verb is shall and will. Shall is used for I and we. तो I और we subject होते हैं के लिए shall का यूज होता है. बाकी will का यूज अदर सब्जेक्ट जो भी हो, प्लूरल हो चाहे सिंगुलर हो, सबके साथ will का यूज होता है. मैन ऑफ फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज होती है सिमिलर टू प्रेजेंट सिंपल. नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रक्चर. सेम एज द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर. स्ट्रक्चर में कोई चेंज नहीं है, बस हेल्पिंग में shall और will आ जाएगा, मैन ऑफ फर्स्ट फॉर्म आ जाएगा. सिंपल सेंटेंस I shall buy a book. I तो I के साथ shall, I और के साथ shall आएगा. मैं वो buy first form a book. That is simple sentence. Negative sentence I shall not buy a book. Just adding not after the help verb. Next is interrogative. Shall I buy a book? Shall. So help me also start with the interrogative sentence of where shall I buy a book and question mark रहता है last. Next is double word sentence. Double word sentence we use double word at the starting. So when for time when double word is used. When shall I buy a book? So the basic difference between interrogative double word is only double word, rest structure is same. So this was about the future simple tense. Next tense is future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. The structure is same as the continuous tenses. Help of here is shall be and will be. Be is extra added. I and we for shall be and will be other subjects are used. Next, man of first of all sign obviously because this is continuous tense. Next, structure. Subject shall be and be man of first of all sign objects. ये क्या है? Subject help बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर की तरह है. बाकी नेगेटिव बनाएंगे तो उसके बीच में है. Shall be के बाद shall be और will be है तो shall not be और will not be होगा नेगेटिव. Subject shall will not be. Rest structure is same. Similarly, interrogative sentence shall will at the start, subject in the second verb of helping after the subject be. When the first one plus sign is rest structure is same. Next is double word type sentence. After interrogative double word is added. We will be reading a book. So here subject, helping verb, main verb and object. Next is negative. Subject, helping verb, will not. Second part of helping verb is be. Main verb first one plus sign and object. And the question mark at the last. Next is double word. So in this change only of double word why we are asking for reason. So this is double word type sentence. So future simple and future continuous tenses are completed. In next lecture we will study about the future perfect tense. Thank you. Good morning students. This is next lecture about the tenses. Probably the last lecture. So we have studied about the future simple and future continuous tense. Next tense is future perfect. Future perfect helping of shall have and will have. Similarly shall have for I and we will have for other subjects. Next structure is same as the basic structure. There is no change in the structure. At the place of helping of shall have or will have is used. Man verb third form is used. Like simple. She will have killed a man. She is subject. Will have helping verb kill. Man of third form kill. Third form is kill, kill, killed. A man is object. Negative sentence. She will not have killed a man. So will not have. So add the first part. After the first part we will add not. Next interrogative. Write the first part of helping verb at the starting. Will she have killed a man? That is interrogative. Next double word sentence. Before this add double word, that is double word sentence. Interrogative or double word, इतना difference है double word starting. Add future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous the meaning is same. Continuous verb is verb first form plus ing. Helping verb. Helping verb is shall have been and will have been. Shall have been for I and we. Will have been for other type of subjects. Next the structure is same as perfect present perfect continuous past perfect continuous. दोनों की structure है उसकी तरह ही होगी इसकी. Next simple sentence she will have been working since 2019. Since 2019 is a fixed time that is uncountable. 2019 uncountable. So for uncountable time since is used. Since. Next for negative sentence she will not have. Just add the not at the first place of the helper. Just write will not. After will write not having. After the first one will add not. Next is interrogative. Just write the first part of the starting. Will she have been writing working since 2019? Here there is no object, so we can write working like working in Jaipur. That is object. For working hard, that is adverb. So we can write these words also. Double word as sentence. Double word helping of first part. C remaining part of helping of verb first form ing object and since for plus tense. So structure is same. So this was all about the tenses for future perfect and future perfect tenses are completed. So there is an assignment for you. You have to make a table about the name of tense, helping verb of tenses, and the manner of tenses. That will be summary of tenses. When you have to study, you can see the table and study the